Good morning! Hello! We are going to survey our boat. Cross fingers that nothing is gonna be too wrong with it. So we'll buy it soon. We are getting the boat surveyed now, and we already have to make some changes, but so far so good. Hey, you guys want to see the inside? It's a complete mess. But let me show you around. TV, yay! And here's the little kitchen. And we can sit on two couches. Have the table in the middle, have a tiny bathroom, and the master bedroom. And hopefully we'll be able to watch the stars at night. There we go. So hopefully this will be home sweet home.
So today is the first day we brought the boat on the water, and we just got it inspected by a surveyor, and now we're going to go haul it out of the water. He's going to inspect the bottom of the boat. So far everything looks good. The engine's incredibly clean. Some soft spots, things we're gonna have to work on, but all in all, you know, better than I worried about. So after that, we're going to do a test the engine, do a motor run, and take it from there.
And I pretended that I know what's happening all along.
Very well. She pretended very well.
It's like I understand this language. No, I know nothing about sailing. I know that's the main, and there's another one, and
then there's another one.
And that's
which,
pretty
which
much.
Side, which is the port?
I don't know.
You got a 50-50 shot.
Right?
No. Should have
Right.
said tails.
I guess we're gonna have to start learning about sailing if we're gonna do this, right? Guys, wish me luck.
Wish me luck. We typically have to get this scrape monthly or every other month, especially in the summertime because of the buildup, all the oysters. And now we can see that top layer of peat has been chipped away. So it's definitely going to need to be repainted once we get up north.
I think he's looking for soft spots on the bottom of the boat. That's my best guess.